Already know we got another unboxing, man. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? On the mahogany leather chair, man. You feel me? Let's get to it. You know I keep it lit, man. You know what I'm saying? You always coming with them unboxings, man. Code. And you already know what it is, man. You feel me? Gotta follow up. You know what I'm saying? Straight from Louboutin. You feel me? How you say that? It's not Louboutin. It's Louboutin. You feel me? Yeah. Got a special unboxing, man. And like I always like to tell y'all, man, you feel me? Yeah, sometimes it's about those accessories, man. You feel me? It's how you accessorize the outfit. You feel me? I'm excited to see it too. You feel me? Yeah. That's real sexy. You know what I'm talking about? I had to get the, you know what I'm saying, the case. Okay, that's how it pop open. Hold the shades in there, you feel me? Bop, you feel me? The red bottoms, you know what I'm saying? Bam. And that's gonna go perfect with them, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, man. Yeah, feel me. You know. All authentications, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? It just be the little things sometimes, you know?